Yes, in this video, we can quickly summarize the two vital operating system services, file system management and I/O operation. I/O operation means input and then output. The OS is the communication manager between your programs and the hardware devices. I/O involves any read or write operation with a file or a physical device like keyboard or printer. The OS guarantees that your programs get the necessary access to these devices when they need to use them. Next we have file system manipulation. The OS manages all the files and data storage. When a program needs the data, the OS handles the read or write request. The OS controls the permissions, deciding if a program can only read and write, or if access is denied. It also gives you the interface to create, delete, and very importantly, backup your entire file system. I have concluded this video with a short. The OS controls your files and manage your hardware access. Thank you for listening. Thank you.